Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. And if you're here for the first time, I am Melda. God bless you. So today I will be preparing for my family a cheesecake peach cobbler. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. So today I'll be using my Pyrex Smart Essentials Value Pack for the very first time. I'll put the link to this in the description box below. Continue watching. I'm using Duncan Hines yellow cake mix to make my crust. Feel free to use any yellow cake mix that you have. Any kind, any flavor will do the trick. You work it. And by the way, I'm still doing it. I am still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. Okay, right here I'm just adding in the second half of the cake mix. Didn't use all at once. Mix this together. And then I'll add in the last of it. That's the last of it right there. God bless you. Now this batter is going to be somewhat stiff, and that's what you want because you're making a crumble for the top. Just like that. That's what you want. I'm bringing out all of the newies in this video. Here I have my cake pans. Brand new 3-piece set. Of course, I'll leave the link for this in the description box as well. These are easy release pans. Alright, let's do it. Notice the texture of my crust. Look at that. Looks like Play-Doh. Notice the texture. That's what you're aiming for. Everything that I'm using is room temperature. Room temperature. Remember to check out the description box for a complete recipe for this beautiful cake. God bless you. Cake is sinfully delicious. This is a crowd pleaser. I'm sure you will love it. And thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Share it out. Leave a comment. And thank you for subscribing. Be sure to hit the notification bell. Why? Because that's how you're going to know when I'm on with something new. Hit the bell now. Select all. Subscription is still free. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.